This is Tim. I'm going to do a quick demo for you on the Überleben Stöker. So this is what you're going to get. You have it in a little canvas bag like this. You will pull it out. It's going to look something like this. Basically what you want to do, all these pieces are the same. You're going to want to just connect them all together. We'll save the one with the round hole last. So let's do this. This unit you're seeing right now has seen a lot of use. So basically, you can see these little holes in here. They're on all of them except one, and that's this one we're going to save for last. So basically, you'll see this piece. There's 3 little tabs right here. You'll want to stick all of those in those little slits all the way around. You got it like that, and then basically you're going to stick the last one on. Hook it right there, and then all you got to do is just do a little twist to get that one on. Good to go. Then you also have some little supports in there, which this is basically just for if you have a really heavy pot. But you can click these together like that and stick them in here, and that'll just give you some added lateral support for putting a lot of weight on there. That's it. Hopefully that helps. Taking it apart is basically just the same thing in reverse.